Hey guys, so right now I'm going to be showing you guys a package I got today. Actually, we were waiting for this for like my hands are blue because
I wanted the fame, but not the cover of Newsweek.
she picked this out. She picked two out, and I paid for
my music. Wanted to be left alone in public, excuse me. But wanting my cake and eat it too. And wanting it both ways. Fame made me a balloon.
And I picked her one out,
it was confusing. Cause all I wanted to do is be the Bruce Lee, abused ink.
I'm going to be
Use it as a tool when I boost ink.
Yeah.
The lottery.
So the only thing I
what I gave
touched
up
in
to get was
here
bittersweet. It's like winning and used me. I'm lying cause I think I'm getting so huge I need a shrink. I'm beginning to lose sleep. One sheep, two sheep, going cuckoo. Kooky is cool key. But I'm actually weirder than you think. Cause I'm
friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me. Stop holding your breath.
He did the third time!
Crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, that's not fair.
That's not funny! I'm gonna have to start pulling out my headphones. You look fun right here. Why wasn't I doing it when you were filming?
No, I ain't much of a poet, but I know somebody once told me to seize the moment and don't squander it. Cause you never know when it all could be over tomorrow, so I keep conjuring. Sometimes I wonder where these thoughts spawn from.
People gonna be laughing.
I think you've been wandering off down yonder and started on to Japan
What's
Cause I need an
in my
intervention to
hair?
intervene between me and this monster and save me from myself and all this conflict. Cause of everything that I love killing me and I can't conquer it.
You know
My
what I do,
OCD's
eh?
talking me in the head, keep knocking. No one is home, I'm sleepwalking. I'm just relaying what the voice in my head saying. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm just friends with them.
I'm pretty sure this came out to like $30.
Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save
So the
me.
Borax and the Squishy came for free.
You think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy.
They needed it
Well,
those
that's not
times will be
fair.
Yes, they were.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So this one was
Well,
$5.
that's not
This
fair.
was a slime smoothie. That's probably why. This is all her slime smoothie. The name was Banana Berry Smoothie. And
Call me
yeah.
crazy, but I had this vision. One day that I'll walk amongst you, a regular civilian. But until then, drums get killed and I'm coming straight at MC's blood gets spilled. And I'll take it back to the days that I get on a Dre track. Give every kid who got played that. Bump the feeling and shit to say back.
not
To the
that
kids who play 'em.
Ryan.
I ain't here to save the fucking children. What if one kid out of 100 million who are going through a struggle feels it and relates? That's great. It's payback. Russell Wilson going way back in the drive. Turn nothing into something, still can make that strong. And the gold jump I will spin. Rumple still skin in a haystack. Maybe I need a straight jacket, face
Yeah,
stacks. I
50
am
cents.
nuts for real, but I'm okay with that. It's nothing, I'm still
And
friends with
then
them.
this Borax thing was, I don't actually know how much it was. She hasn't told me.
Trying to
How much
save
was it?
me. Stop holding your
What?
breath. And you think I'm
for
crazy.
free. Oh, okay, this
think
is for
I'm
free.
crazy. I'm
Yeah.
friends with the
And
monster
lucky last
that's
one, main
under my
slime.
bed. Get along with the
Oh
voices
no, the other small one was
You're trying to
50.
save me. Stop holding your
And
breath.
this one is $5. It's pretty good.
Think I'm crazy.
Well, that's not fair.
Pretty big for $5.
Well, that's not fair.
I'm gonna do what she did in her video and take forever. How long was your video?
5 minutes and 11 seconds. I said 5 minutes. Actually, no, 4 minutes and something, I don't know.
I'm at 4 minutes 19.
And you see my video unlike someone does over here.
I actually do edit my video.
We have you.
I actually did the last video. My last video. She would know that if she watched my videos. Oh, it made a hole. Okay, this is another fact about us. I'm better at making slime bubbles, and she is better at making slime swirls, Instagram swirls. So yeah, my hands are blue because now I'm gonna put it back all pretty. All pretty. Oh, Willow.
Did you in the video?
Yep. And
See y'all.
another thing, we might have made a blue slime, but the purple one we bought. Yeah,
We
this
made
was
this
scared.
one
We made this slime. This is my first time making slime too.
with my money.
She brought the slime today, and this came with it. So that's her. And this is mine from my slime package I bought yesterday, I believe. Yes, it was yesterday. Yeah. And yeah. So I'm going to let you guys know what days I'm going to be filming. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Becky might be doing that soon, if I can persuade her to do it. I won't make her, but I'll try to get her to for you guys.
Do what?
Get you to do it videos Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
No, I'm gonna do them on Friday.
Why? I'm doing it on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Cool.
This is literally like
You're
Cleveland.
gonna have a busy life.
No, I'm not. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And yeah, I will link hers, our Maddie's, and Steph's YouTube down below in the description. So yeah.